Did you know there's an essential oil that can help you lose weight and boost your mood? Today we are talking 10 benefits of grapefruit essential oil. Hi guys, my name is Tom. Welcome to my channel where we discuss all things herbalism and aromatherapy. Today we are talking grapefruit oil, also called citrus paradisi. There is lots to get into today, so let's jump right into it. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can watch all my latest videos on the benefits of herbs and essential oils. Alright, number 10, grapefruit essential oil improves hair health. Grapefruit essential oil has microbacterial properties. Grapefruit essential oil helps cleanse your scalp and hair when added to a shampoo or conditioner. You can also use it to reduce the grease in your hair while adding volume and shine. Plus, if you color your hair, grapefruit essential oil protects strands against sun damage. To use grapefruit essential oil on your hair, you would just add 2 to 3 drops into your shampoo or conditioner, or you can add it to coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. Number 9, grapefruit essential oil helps fight acne and improve skin health. So many commercial products use citrus oils due to their antibacterial and anti-aging effects. It can help fight bacteria and greasiness that leads to acne breakouts. It keeps your skin's immunity strong against air pollution and UV light damage. Plus, it's believed to help get rid of cellulite. It's also been used to help heal wounds, cuts, and bites, and prevent skin infections. A 2016 study published by Food and Nutrition Research evaluated the efficacy of grapefruit polyphenols in decreasing an individual's susceptibility to ultraviolet radiation and improving skin health. Researchers found that the combination of grapefruit essential oil and rosemary essential oil was able to inhibit UV ray-induced effects and inflammatory markers, thereby helping to avoid the negative effects that sun damage can have on the skin. Number 8, it works as a natural energizer and mood booster. It is widely used in aromatherapy to boost mental focus and provide a natural energy boost. Inhaling grapefruit essential oil can alleviate headaches, sleepiness, brain fog, mental fatigue, and low moods. It's also helpful in addressing symptoms of adrenal fatigue such as low motivation, body aches, or sluggishness. Some individuals find grapefruit essential oil to be a gentle, natural way to combat feelings of depression, as it promotes alertness and soothes the nerves. Studies on animals found that citrus oils such as grapefruit can help counteract stress-induced suppression of the immune system and promote calm behavior. A swim test on rats found that citrus fragrance reduced immobility and increased their alertness. Scientists speculate that the introduction of citrus fragrances into the treatment of depression may help reduce the need of antidepressants, naturally boosting mood, energy, and motivation. Research conducted by the Department of Applied Chemistry at Kinki University in Japan inhibited the activity of an enzyme that breaks down neurotransmitters in the brain, which plays a crucial role in mood regulation. The inhibition of this enzyme using grapefruit essential oil led to improved mood and cognitive function. To use grapefruit essential oil as a mood booster, you can either inhale the essential oil or you can apply 2 to 3 drops to your wrist and rub it in. Or you could place it in a diffuser. I will post a link to a really awesome diffuser in the description below. Alright, number 7, grapefruit essential oil helps aid digestion. Grapefruit essential oil supports detoxification by increasing the blood flow to digestive organs, such as the bladder, liver, stomach, and kidneys. This boost in circulation aids digestion, reduces fluid retention, and fights off microbes in the intestines and digestive organs. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism suggests drinking grapefruit juice can enhance metabolic detoxification pathways. While it is possible that consuming grapefruit oil internally with water can have similar effects, there haven't been any human studies confirming this yet. To use grapefruit oil to aid digestion, just add 2 to 3 drops to a carrier oil like jojoba or avocado oil and rub it into your abdomen in a circular motion. Number 6, it decreases inflammation and boosts circulation. Citrus oils such as grapefruit are valued for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to improve circulation. The vasodilating effect from grapefruit oil may offer relief from symptoms like PMS cramps, headaches, bloating, fatigue, and muscle pains. Studies indicate that limonene, the active component in grapefruit essential oil, plays a key role in reducing inflammation and regulating the body's immune response. To use grapefruit essential oil to improve your circulation, just add 2 to 3 drops to a hot bath or place it in a carrier oil and apply it to the area you're trying to improve. Number 5, it reduces sugar cravings. Are you struggling with constant sugar cravings? Grapefruit essential oil could be your ally in combating that sweet tooth. The key component of grapefruit essential oil, limonene, has been found to stabilize blood sugar levels and decrease appetite in research with rats. Additionally, studies on grapefruit essential oil suggest that it influences the autonomic nervous system, which manages functions like stress response and digestion. Number 4, it can help with your hangover. Grapefruit oil is effective in stimulating the liver and gallbladder, making it beneficial for alleviating headaches, cravings, and sluggishness after consuming alcohol. By promoting detoxification and acting as a diuretic, increasing urination, it helps the body to eliminate toxins more effectively. Additionally, it can curb cravings that may arise from hormonal and blood sugar fluctuations triggered by alcohol consumption. To use grapefruit essential oil to alleviate a hangover, just diffuse it into the air, or you could add 1 to 2 drops in a glass of water, or massage 1 to 2 drops into your temples or your neck. Number 3, it helps reduce stress. The scent of grapefruit oil is refreshing, calming, and revitalizing. Studies suggest that diffusing grapefruit essential oil into your home can trigger a relaxation response in the brain and naturally lower blood pressure. Inhaling grapefruit oil sends a signal to your brain, regulating the emotional responses. In 2002, a study published in the Journal of Japanese Pharmacology explored the effects of inhaling grapefruit oil and significantly influenced brain activity, leading to relaxation. And number 2, it works as a natural antibacterial agent. Grapefruit oil has powerful antibacterial properties that make it effective in combating harmful bacteria that may enter the body. Research demonstrates its ability to combat harmful bacterial strains such as E. coli or Salmonella. It's also employed to eliminate bacteria found on the skin or internally, combat mold growth, eradicate parasites in animal feed, preserve food, and sanitize water. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine conducted a study using an extract from grapeseed oil. They tested it against 67 types of bacteria and found that it exhibited antibacterial properties against all strains. And the number 1 benefit of grapefruit essential oil, it helps boost weight loss. The active components in grapefruit oil help rev up the metabolism and curb your appetite. Whether through inhalation or topical application, grapefruit oil is known to reduce hunger and sugar cravings. Remember, you can't rely solely on grapefruit oil, but use it in combination with diet and exercise. Grapefruit essential oil stimulates the lymphatic system, which is why it's a common ingredient found in cellulite creams. Researchers at the Nagata School of Medicine in Japan found that inhaling grapefruit oil has a stimulating effect, suggesting it activates the sympathetic nervous system, which aids in controlling body weight. In an animal study, they found that grapefruit oil boosts lipolysis in adipose tissue, leading to a decreased body weight in the rats who inhaled the oil. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you want to try grapefruit oil for yourself, there's a link in the description. You should also try my uplifting citrus balm.